Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. Welcome back to the series 3 abs workout. So series 1, series 2 we have finished, and series 1 was each variation for each upper, lower and obliques. Series 2 was variation upper abs for 2 variations, lower abs 2 variations, oblique 2 variations. As I promised you, as we go through the series 1, 2 and when you come back to 3, the variations are going to increase and the intensity is going to increase. So now in this series 3, what we'll do is we'll be adding 3 variations for the upper and the lower and obliques, all 3 variations for all 3, so that you get more intensity and more effective. And make sure before watching all the series, I have told in each series video that make sure you watch all my single, lower, upper and obliques video, so that you get a proper breathing pattern. And people who have neck pain, back pain, I've explained in all how to avoid while doing abs. So in the series 3, what we'll be doing is, first one for the upper abs, what we'll be doing, the normal tabletop upper crunch. The second one will be the toe reaches. Third one will be butterfly upper crunch. That's your upper crunch. Then for the lower abs, what we'll be doing is double leg raises, reverse crunches, single and Caesar. Then we'll come to obliques. Obliques will cover cycle crunches, then the toe tap, then wind viper. So 3 variations. Then the plank and the side plank at the last. So make sure before doing all these 3, you start with the series 1 if you are a beginner. If you are an intermediate and advanced, you can directly come to series 2 and series 3. Okay, so my fitness partner today is Natasha is here. So first, in any video of mine, I'll be doing warm up and cool down, because I always give importance to that, because always it's good to warm up and cool down after and before exercises. Okay, so the warm up exercise for the series 3 abs workout. Okay, now lie down on your abdomen first, hands besides your lower chest. Inhale up 3 times cobra, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now from here we go to child pose. Then we are going to lie down on our back. I'm going to add one more variation in the series 3 because the intensity is going to higher variation, so it's better to prevent lower back pain when you're doing abs. Hands wide, shoulder width apart, palm facing the ceiling, legs tabletop. Now as you exhale, drop both the knees towards right and turn your neck on the left. Inhale center, exhale left, turn your neck on the right. Inhale center, now both legs straight down. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back, change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back. Now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now rock and roll 5 times. 1, tap your toes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we are going to start. First one will be for the upper abs. So people who are advanced and intermediate can follow me. People who are beginners can follow Natasha. Otherwise, people who are neck pain, back pain can follow her. First one will be the upper crunch, tabletop upper crunch, 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, exhale up, inhale down, 13, 14, 15. Okay, just take 5 seconds break in between all these reps. Don't take too much break. Okay, now back to the toe reaches up 90 degree. Up, okay, palm toes pointing towards the, your fingers pointing towards the toes. Start, exhale up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, the next one for the upper abs will be the legs in a butterfly. Okay, hands back, palm facing each other. Exhale up, inhale back. Okay, so start, 1, don't come full up, only it's for upper abs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15. Okay, now these were 3 for the upper abs. Now we'll go to lower abs. First one will be the double leg raises, 15. 1, 2, 3, slow guys, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't give up guys. I know your abs are going to be on fire, but you have to do it guys. Maintain that intensity. Don't take too much breaks in between. If you have lower back pain in between, you can stretch cobra, then come back again. Okay, the next one will be the reverse crunches, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now last one for the lower abs. Come up. Okay, drop both the elbows, single leg raises and Caesar 20-20. Okay, so start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Now next one will be the Caesar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Okay, so we have finished upper and lower. Now back to obliques now, cycle crunches. We'll go for 30 reps, guys. Okay, don't give up. Cycle crunches means both side is going to be 15, so it's going to be 1. I'm going to count. So we're going to go for 30. I'm going to count as both side is 1, both legs together 1. So start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slow, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, good. Back. Now the next one is toe tap. Heel tap or toe tap, anything, if you're able to reach to your little finger, anything. Okay, palm facing each other, hands besides your heel or your fingers towards your heel or your butt, wherever you can reach. Now neck up, keep it constant. Start. 1, both together is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15, back. Okay, the last one, wind viper. Hands shoulder width apart, both legs up 90 degree, both sides I'm going to count as 1, so it's going to be 10. Okay, lift both the legs up 90 degree. Now go towards right. 1, up, on the left, center, 2, right, center, left, 3, center, left, 4, center, left, 5, center, 6, 7, center, 8, center, 9, center, 10, center, and back. Okay, good guys, good going. Now back to plank and a slight plank last. Back to elbow plank for 1 minute. We're going to start here. Okay, chalo, start. Don't give up, guys. 1 minute. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Little feet apart, not too much. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Back. Now the last one, the side plank. I've explained all this in my previous video, guys, the lower abs, upper abs, obliques. So I keep telling you, watch that so you get the correct breathing pattern and the postures about all these. Now up, hold up. Don't drop your neck, either you can look up, look side, but don't do this. I've seen a lot of people dropping their neck. Okay, back. 30 seconds on each side. Now back the last other side. Up. Back. So now we're going to, so people, I've always told you, people who are beginners can do all this variation of 3 sets, guys. 3 sets if you're beginners, or if you have lower back pain, neck pain, do 10 counts of all this. If you are intermediate and advanced, make sure you push, guys. All sets, all variations, 15, whatever the variation I've explained here, same variations. Okay, and make sure cool down. Always after doing abs exercise, cool down is very important to stretch your lower back and feel relaxed. 1, 2, inhale up, exhale down. 3, then from here we go to child pose. Chin. Now back, lie down on your back. Now hand shoulder width apart, palm facing the ceiling. Lift your legs on a tabletop. As you exhale, drop both the knees towards right and turn your neck on the left. Inhale center. Exhale left, turn your neck on the right. Inhale center, both legs straight. Bend your right leg, hug it, exhale, chin to the knee. Head back, change leg, exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back, now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back, now rock and roll, tap 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, so this was the series 3 abs workout. So next one will be the series 4, last one guys, because it's going to be more intense and more dynamic movements. So because you already done series 1, series 2, series 3, now that one will be the more dynamic movements. And I always say at the end of the abs workout, don't only depend on this. The most important thing is the diet, 80% and 20% this, and always abs are made in kitchen. So hope you follow all my abs series workout and my previous all 3 to get your breathing pattern and the people who have injuries that have covered. And hope you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.